Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, May 24th. And you can see from the news items here that we have some U.S. news at 10:05. Treasury Secretary Yellen will be speaking now. The hot news item that we've all been looking at the last couple of days, because there hasn't been that much news, is the debt. The debt problem that the U.S. has upping the debt limit. Yes, and that is every time somebody talks about it, oh, they're walking away from the table, price goes down. Oh, they're gonna get a agreement done by June 1st, and of course the market goes up. So that's sort of the hot item that everybody's watching, and I'm sure that Secretary Yellen is going to discuss something. She's going to try to put pressure on Congress to make some decisions and get that debt ceiling situation resolved. So 10:05, be aware that that is going on. She could definitely move the market. 10:30, we have crude oil inventories, which is relevant to crude oil. And at 2 o'clock, we have the FOMC meeting minutes. Again, more information about interest rates from the last meeting. That will also be a big mover. So you see when it says red, it is a big mover. Orange is medium, and low impact is yellow. So that's what's going on. That's all we've got for today. Taking a look at the daily chart here, we are back in the middle of the muck. So we're gapping down. Where could it go? I think we could retest these lows right here from a couple of weeks ago, which would be around the, I'm going to actually say 4110 is certainly a plausible direction and plausible place that it could go. If we should turn around and go up, let's see. I'm thinking about right there, that low volume node at 4183 is a reasonable upside target. So those are sort of where we are, and we are in the muck. You know, you've heard the saying, sell in May and go away. Well, in this case, we should have sold in April because it has gone nowhere fast. It is what it is. Taking a look at the inventory. Inventory is kind of interesting because we had a down day yesterday, but we had an up in inventory. So what does that mean? It means people were buying all the way down. And this is bottom fishing. This is the buy the dip folks are definitely involved with the price going down and inventory going up. That's screaming buy the dip. That's what's going on. Do I agree with that? Not necessarily. I don't hold positions overnight, so it doesn't really matter what they're doing to me. It's just knowing that there is people buying the dip. That can be very, very dangerous, okay? Why? Because when we have multiple days of down movement and these people keep buying the dip and the dip doesn't stop going down, they will panic out and we'll have an ugly, ugly whoosh at the end of that chart. So that being said, this is concerning to me to see that happen. Taking a look at the intraday chart for some intraday support and resistance. So we have resistance is on the top side. So the top side, we've got some resistance around 41.53. We've got a nice band of resistance around 41.59. And we're going to go up a little bit higher, up into the 41.75 area for our third level of resistance. Support is not quite as clear as the resistance. We do have some support around 41.22, 41.09, and 4,090 below the 4,100 level. So those are your levels for today. The Stock Traders Almanac is 51.7, so we have a positive bias from the Stock Traders Almanac historically today. Again, 57.1. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the TroyLevels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.